The number one reason why most traders are still losing money in trading is because they don't know where the market is going next. Hey traders, welcome to We Trade Waves weekly forex forecast. Guys, I hope all of you made money last week. In case you are new to We Trade Waves, this is our YouTube channel here. It's We Trade Waves, as you can see. All our official links are in the description under this video and in the first comment as well. So this way we are posting, guys, our videos on every Saturday for our forex forecast. In case you don't know, you go back and check some of them just to see the accuracy that we have. As usual, I cover for you all the lists that you can see on the right side of the screen: the XY, Euro dollar, pound dollar, gold, all the way down to US oil, Bitcoin, and US30. Last week, guys, we were covering this one here. I'll go to the 4 hours now for this one. Again, in case you don't know, this is TradingView. This is the charting platform that we are using. This one, and this is the XY dollar index 4 hours. And this one, last week we said to you guys, market will give us a corrective structure like this, then one will push up before any next structure. So most of you can see here, if I go back to the video just to show you, this was our last forecast. It's 6 days ago, as you can see. And thanks a lot for all of you guys who are liking and commenting on a weekly basis. Thanks a lot. So for this one, this was the XY forecast last week. We said market will give us a corrective structure up before the next move. So that's the before, and if we go here, that's the after in front of you. So fantastic, very, I would say, accurate forecast. And for this one, it was a perfect trend continuation pattern for We Trade Waivers. Lots of our traders, guys, were making money trading this wave to the upside or the other majors to the downside. But again, for this one, this is the perfect trend continuation pattern for us. Anyway, I'll zoom out here and let's see what's next. If I go to the daily just to show you something, guys, regarding the structure, again, this is the structure in the bigger picture, right? So for this one, you've got this drop, as most of you know. In case you don't know, I have covered this one in detail during the previous forecast, all right? So we've got this up wave, corrective structure up, and now we are in this wave to the downside. Again, for this one, do we think this is done? Not really. I do think that market will give us one more drop. So after this up wave, now looks like market will give us one more drop. Even if we get one push up, no problem. One more fall will be coming before the next structure. Will this one go all the way down to break this low once more? This is unclear for now. We need to see more structures. The structure is in the making, but the next wave is toward the downside first before any next structure. So last week drop up, and now we are expecting market to drop again before the next structure. So in other means, any sell setup we get for the dollar, we might go for it. But guys, do not go blindly and selling this one. You need to see the structures. You need to know the strategies before you enter in this trade. All the details regarding the levels, the trades of the week, and the trades of the month as well update will be given by T tomorrow at 12 p.m. UK time for WTW Pro members. In case you don't know, again, this is our official website here. And this one, you can go back and check all the features. And if you want to join WTW Pro, do not waste, guys, more money and more time. Join and learn, and after that, you can get everything. Just to give you a quick update about the trades of the week, last week we gave 2 trades. It was pound O's to the upside. Most of you know that the market is in profits. It's here for pound O's, and as well dollar Swiss to the upside. Market actually gave us the profits for these 2 trades. So 2 trades of the week were shared last Sunday. It was perfect, and we have 3 trades of the month as well. I'll not show it to you because we have the targets are still actually the structure is the making, but the 3 trades of the month are in profits. The update will be tomorrow during the Sunday session that will be covered by T at 12 p.m. for WTW Pro members. Again, if you want the details, you can check the website and check everything. All our official links are in the description under this video and in the first comment as well. Euro dollar for this one as well, market was moving as expected in a great way. We've got this corrective structure, this drop, and I said to you last week, market will break this low and this low before any next structure. Alan, any proof for that? Of course, if I go back to this one here and for this, look at that. So last week, again, this is the last video, I would say the last forecast 6 days ago. And look at this. I said to you, corrective structure, and market will be falling to break this low and this low before the next structure. So again, 2 waves in advance because we were seeing liquidity under this low, and that's the after in front of you. Corrective structure, and then drop. One thing I want to mention, some people were commenting, I would say, like maybe some haters, it doesn't matter, but they were saying, Alan, you are actually so wrong with this forecast. Well, guys, that's the forecast in front of you. And please, once you make a comment, do not delete it, all right? Because this guy, he was actually deleting the comment after the market was moving in the direction as expected. It's fine, no problem, but just be careful next time. Whenever you want to put a comment, try to be actually helpful with the comment, all right? Do not like just put the comment just for the sake of putting it, okay? So here, most of you know like these 2 trades, this the before, and that's the after, all right? So market broke the low, and then after that, we start to push to the upside. What's next? Guys, look at this one. At this time here, or like at this point, this wave is about actually to end. If we get a buy setup, we will be going for the buy setup for $, because this can take us all the way up to this level or even higher than that to break the top. Both levels will be covered by T tomorrow with how to trade them and how to maximize profits if the market will be going to the upside to break this top once more or not. Okay? Even this is a downtrend from here to the downside. So how to trade this one? If you're in the sell, we will guide you tomorrow how to trade the moves and how to make actually sure that you will maximize profits if the market will be going in your direction. Okay? So for this one, till now, the forecast or the bias is towards the upside for now. Even if this will go down to break this low once more, up, corrective structure up before the next structure. Alright? So for $, any buy setup we get, we might be going for it. Again, we might be wrong. We are not 100%. No one can be actually giving you 100% of the forecast. But, you know, we have high accuracy, 60, 70%, and even more sometimes. Pound dollar for this one, exactly the same thing. Market gave us this corrective structure. One more fall to break this low before the next up wave. 3 waves in advance. Again, I'll go back to this one just to show you the before. And that's the pound dollar here 6 days ago, the forecast. Corrective structure, drop under this low, and the market start to push to the upside. Why you need to follow us, guys, on a weekly basis? Because the structure can change. So for this one, you've got this drop, corrective structure drop, and the market is pushing to the upside. You must have made money trading this one, and this one. Oh, Alan, I don't have any strategy to trade. Join, learn from us, and then after that, if you have any question, you can ask us inside the Discord or private message. This is the Discord community, by the way. And if I show you the success stories, for this one, guys, you will get access to this from day one, by the way, right? As soon as you join, you will get access to this one. I'm showing you the success stories, guys, mostly every week. Look at this one. So this was from last Saturday till now. You have Kunal, 1,500 pips, I would say, profits and open positions. You have all the way down Joshin. He was actually having this one as well. You can read the message if you'd like to. And Mustafa was doing great job as well. He was making good profits, trading the markets as well, based on what we taught him. All right. So again, all our members actually are, I would say, benefiting, and they are making profits or they are making progress. Okay. So pound dollar, this is actually the chart is in front of you. So trades of the week went to as expected in profits. 3 trades of the month were shared last Sunday are in profits as well. And we have the daily sessions. So everything actually every single day we have, I would say, meetings for WTW Pro members. If you like to jump to the next level, do not waste more time and money. Pound dollar for this one. What's next, Alan? If we get a corrective structure, we'll be looking for the buy setup for this one. Okay. This buy setup, guys, it can be just to break this top, and after that, you might get a big corrective structure. In all the cases, short term, market will be going to the upside for pound dollar. Gold for this one, market went all the way up. We broke this top here regarding the liquidity. We broke this up, and the market started to push to the downside. This is actually an impulsive wave, guys, to the upside. All right. So this might be the start of the next structure. If we get one more drop here, up is the move. For gold, I'm expecting market to push to the upside unless something happens in the world regarding the trade between China and US, or any actually calm in terms of the situation between India and Pakistan. So most of you know that the world actually is on fire, and once we have uncertainty, most of you know that gold usually push to the upside. So for this one, I'm still expecting gold to push up after this drop. If we get a buy setup, we will be looking for the buy for this one. And then where are the levels? Again, to which level this will be going, all of this will be covered tomorrow during the Sunday session for WTW Pro members. Join WTW Pro, guys. You will get everything. You will learn everything from us, and you will get access to the live sessions with the levels, with the trades of the week, with all the sessions that we give usually, plus access to the community. So anyway, for this one, this is what we can see based on the forecast. Drop and then up again. In case something happens, guys, geopolitically, we will be going for a drop here, and this drop will take us to break this low once more. This depends on something might happen between China and US regarding any trade deal. If you see anything like that happening, or we have like the situation comes down between India and Pakistan, you will see gold falling. This is mainly not about the structure. This is mainly about the news at the moment, and whenever we have uncertainty, you know that gold is pushing the upside. That's why for now, still based on the structure and based on the news, we can still see gold pushing to the upside once more before any next structure. Aussie dollar for this one, market went to the downside. I hope some of you guys took this out because this was great. After this drop, if we get a corrective structure, like Aussie dollar is a buy, guys, right? From this level, or even if this will be going down to break this low once more, up is the move. Any such setup for Aussie dollar, it will be temporary. If you are in the sell, you move your stops and let the market unfold. If you are not in the sell, wait to get the buy setup. Once you get the buy setup, guys, you can go for the buy. If you don't want to wait for the buy setup, you might be jumping in and you might be losing big if you don't know how to trade. All right. New Zealand dollar, exactly the same. Market went to the downside. So if we get one more drop here, up is the move. If we get the buy setup for New Zealand dollar, we'll be going for it. Again, the levels will be covered tomorrow by T. Do not miss it. The sessions are usually very important. We'll cover at the start geopolitics, and then we'll cover all the charts once we finish, plus all your requests. If you have any question, you can ask it live. Dollar yen for this one, market went to the upside. It was a great trend continuation pattern. As most of our members know, we've got this up wave, corrective structure up, pull back, and then up. This is a perfect trade, by the way. One of the structures that we look at internally. And for this one, if we get a corrective structure, want to push up before any next move for dollar yen. Dollar Swiss for this, I hope some of you took the buy. This was a clean corrective structure to us, up, corrective structure, and the market started to push the upside. Some of us are in the buy, and some of us as well will be trading the next move for, I would say, for long term. All right. So this is up. Any buy setup you get, you can go for it for dollar Swiss, and it's the same thing for dollar CAD as well. Market went to the upside after this up wave here. Up, we've got a corrective structure, and then up. If we get here, if we get a corrective structure, another push up will be coming. We have another possibility. It will be covered tomorrow during the Sunday session. Join WTW Pro, guys, to get access and to not miss the next wave. Yes, all for this one. We said to you last week, guys, it's a buy. Anytime you get a buy setup, you go for it. And as you can see, market never broke this low here. All right, so we've got this pullback all the way down to this level, and the market started to push to the upside. Some of our traders, they trade US oil, and they made a lot of money trading this one alone. All right. Bitcoin, again, this was crazy. We said to you guys since the past few months, guys, Bitcoin is up. Cryptocurrency is bullish. I'm still expecting Bitcoin to push to the upside, and that's the market in front of you. Now, during the Sunday sessions, we said to our members, guys, April will be bullish for the cryptocurrency, and May will be even more bullish. That's what we said. That's why, guys, joining the Sunday sessions and joining the private sessions, the VIP sessions, it will give you actually the bias, it will give you the levels, and it will give you the directions, plus some of the trades that you can benefit from, and you can make a lot of money if you know how to trade them. That's why, guys, it's very important. I'm saying to you, do not waste more time and money. Join, learn, and benefit as well. So Bitcoin for this one, market went to the upside as expected. Any corrective structure, it's a buy. Market will be going to the upside to break this top and this top once more before the next structure. US30 for this one, market is pushing to the upside. Now this, it might be a corrective structure, guys, all right? Unless we get this up wave, sharp move, and we get a corrective structure, this is a downtrend. Drop, corrective structure, drop. So this might be a potential corrective structure before the next drop, all right? So if you ask me personally, this is a bearish structure till now. So if we get one push up, one more drop will be coming before the next structure. For now, this is based on the structure. But if we get any deal between US and China, and this will start to push the upside sharp, above this top, if we get a corrective structure, this is a buy. All right, that's the two different scenarios for Dow Jones, for US30, so you know what to do and how to trade. If you are in the buy, move your stops and let the market unfold. If you are not in the buy, you have to wait for the sell setup above the top, or you have to wait for market to push the upside hard, give you a corrective structure, and then you go for the buy after that. All right, guys, with that note, I hope you guys having a great trading week. You trade with care. WTW Pro members, get ready for tomorrow. It will be an important session as usual. Do not miss it. And we have a lot of things you will be coming to Weighted Waves, guys. WTW Pro members, you will actually know that step by step from us internally. And with that note, I see all of you guys next Saturday. Thank you very much.